Hello and welcome to BQ Prime. A very good afternoon to all the viewers. I am Hiral Dadia. Clearly, if you see in terms of the markets, a pretty volatile session from the day's high of 19,366. We've inched to lower now, and we're trading at the borderline of 19,300. Now, what's in store from here on is what we need to understand. Joining us on the show is Gaurav Bissa to tell us more. Gaurav, clearly, the expectation was a sideways to positive momentum. How are you looking at it?
Good afternoon. Thank you for inviting on the show. The structure, I would say it's cautious. We were playing for a bounce. We had bought futures for Nifty. We booked a major part of that. I was expecting a move towards 19,400 as reverse from 19,350. But it's going to be a range bound move for Nifty where it has a decent support at 19,240 on the lower end. 19,400 will be a resistance on the very immediate basis. That is going to be broader view of range of Nifty. However, the structure is weak. We are in formation of low top, lower bottom. So in all likelihood, we will remain a little bit weak, and at higher levels we'll see some pressure. But at the current juncture, I don't garner a buy or a sell. I would rather buy near 19,250, keep a 50 point stop loss, play for 150 point target, or rather I'll sell at higher levels. At the current juncture, it's wait and watch for me.
Right. Similarly, with regards to Bank Nifty, how are you looking at it? Because after 4 weeks of selling, it was last week that we ended in the positive. There is consolidation, yes, but do you see positivity?
The only positive for Bank Nifty is its bounce back from its 21 exponential moving average on the weekly charts, which is placed at 43,800. Till this is held on to, it may head towards 44,800, 44,900. But again, like I said, this is going to be more for technical bounce. The structure for Bank Nifty also remains weak, and we'll see ultimately lower levels coming into the index. But for now, we may see some stability at lower levels. We may see a buying emerging, and we may see a bounce back sort of. But the strength is just not there. Today also, you can take an example that we were strong for major part of the trading session. Now we are struggling to remain in the positive territory. So the strength is just not there. It's just a technical bounce we're seeing at this point in time.
Right. So technical bounce back that we are seeing currently. Now let's move to stock specific action and see where the overall action has been. But clearly, overall, if you go to see in terms of individual counters, let's look at a BHEL. There is a bullish setup in trade today. How would you look at the counter?
I've been very bullish on PSU stocks, and BHEL as a disclaimer has been part of our report. Our report targets are around levels of 230. For short term, it's difficult to play such a volatile counter, but if somebody wants to play, one can keep a stop loss of 105. Until this level is sustained, can go towards 115, 116. So structure remains positive. There's a swing retest it has made yesterday, and today we are seeing some positivity. So in my opinion, 105 is the immediate support again, and that too a strong one.
Okay. Moving on, how are you looking at a GNFC?
It's a stock without flavor. I would rather wait and watch for this because it's a narrow range stock. Too much of volatility within this range. So I don't see a major reason for anybody to look at the stock at this point in time.
Okay. Now, if you look at FMCG players, namely the likes of Colgate and Dabur, both of these are seeing a short build-up in trade today. What's your view?
For Colpal, we have seen a very strong move. Now we are seeing some amount of profit booking. So yes, there is some possibility of pressure building up, and the stock may head towards level of 1850, 1860. So if somebody wants to sell, one can keep a stop loss of 1995 and sell Colpal for levels of 1850. And if it gives a close below this, further pressure can be seen. As far as Dabur is concerned, it's a slow mover. So, low beta stock one needs to be a little bit careful. Also, there's an immediate support area at 545. So, I would not be too keen in creating fresh shorts. But yes, for Colpal, one can look at creating fresh shorts.
Okay. How is Reliance looking like on the charts, Gaurav?
So this one is simple. If you look at the charts of Reliance, It's trading just at the support area. There's a rising channel support. There's a 55 exponential moving average support placed at levels of 2400, 2420. So till the time it sustains about 2420, things will be fine. Close below 2420 will result in a small breakdown towards level of 2350.
Okay, so that's with regards to where Reliance goes. Indiabulls Housing Finance, the stock is up around 11% today. Open interest addition is also pretty strong. Long positions being built in today's session. What should the strategy be?
See, this stock has seen strong long positions not just today, but if you see last 5 7 days data, we have seen good amount of positions getting built in this. There's good amount of volume participation, good delivery volumes, but the stock has also moved from 160 to 185, 190. So at this level, the risk was not favorable. If somebody has already bought, you can keep riding it. There's a fresh breakout it has witnessed today, but I would not recommend buying fresh at this the current condition.